So good afternoon everyone. In this video we are discussing about Tally. Myself Haritha Ravi, Assistant Professor, Department of BCom and CA and ISM, Tiruthanganada College. So we can just simply discuss about Tally Prime. So in recently we are using Tally Prime software for the purpose of Tally, accounting, etc. What even by accounting? When we are just starting about Tally, we have to talk about accounting. Accounting is the process of identifying, recording, classifying, reporting information, financial transactions in a systematic manner for purpose of decision making, financial information. So we are using accounting software mainly for the purpose of decision making. We have to provide information to the hierarchy. So for that, accounting is done. In that, Tally Prime is playing a greatest role. What are the accounts? For Tally, we have to discuss about which are the accounts are there in the accounting. First one is personal account. Obviously, we know an individual person or any firms or any company or a bank is considered in personal account. So, in personal account, we will consider an individual, bank or a company. Their accounts, while we are dealing with their accounts, it called as personal account. For example, Rajiv Singh, Munna Enterprise, Wipro Limited, PNP Bank, Capital, etc. So all these are related to the personal transactions or related to a personal account. Then next one is real account. Account of any physical things, that means cash account, land account, which can be seen, touched. All these things, accounts can be called as real account. The next one is nominal account. Accounts of any invisible things, that means things are in terms of cash are example of nominal account. So which we cannot be which is invisible, but which are things are in terms of cash, which can be expressed in cash, but we can't see it. That things are called as nominal account. Example, discount, salary, wages. We can see it, but we can't feel it. Then, golden rules of accounting. Basics of Tally Prime is to know about the rules of accounting, golden rules of accounting. First one is the rule of personal account. The account which deals with personal parties, then etc., companies, etc. So the rule of the personal account is debit the receiver, credit the giver. Then the rule of real account. Real account rule is it is related to real things such as cash account, then building, machinery, etc. So it belongs to it. Rule is debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Then nominal account rule. It is related to profit, loss, etc. And the rule is debit all expenses or losses, credit all income or gains. So this is the basic rule. The golden rules of accounting even though for plus 1 plus 2 this will start accounts will start with the golden rules of accounting. Then introduction of Tally. What is Tally? Tally Prime is accounting software used in business to record, summarize and maintain business transaction. Tally was developed in 1984 by Shyam Sundar Goenka in Bangalore. So that was the origin. From Bangalore. Tally has been developed by Shyam Sundar Goenka. Use educational mode of Tally Prime as free. We are in our colleges, in many of the colleges, etc. Many of them are using Tally in educational mode for the purpose that Tally has been providing its free service for the students, such as in college and schools, etc. For training purpose, most of the computer training institute uses educational purpose. Educational mode of Tally has been used by many of the centers, such as GTEC, etc. Then mode, it is free and work without license. For educational purpose, educational version of Tally, it is mode free and without license we can use it. Then available date in Tally educational versions, Tally Prime educational mode work without license where you can input data only on the first, second and last days of the month. So in Tally latest version is Tally Prime. We have Tally ERP 9 and now it just belongs to Tally Prime. Then what are the groups and ledgers in Tally? First step, what is the first step in a Tally to do the accounting? First step is obvious to create a company for your accounting. So after the creation of company, we have to go to the group creation, ledger creation, etc. Groups and ledgers in Tally are predefined groups and we can create new, alter and credit and debit amount. We can create a group, create a ledger, we can add amount, etc. We can edit it, etc. So how we can go to a ledger or group? In gateway of Tally, chart of account, list of masters, groups. So in this is the way how we have to get into a Tally group or ledger. There are 28 predefined groups. So in Tally itself, it has been 28 predefined groups are there and 15 groups subgroups are therefore in Tally Prime. Then which are the groups? First one, branch division. Branch division capital account, reserves and surplus, current asset, bank account, cash in hand, deposit, loan and advance, stock in hand, sundry debtors, current liabilities, duties and taxes, provisions, sundry creditors, direct expense, direct income, fixed asset, indirect expense, indirect income, investment, loan, bank OD, secured loans, unsecured loans, miscellaneous expense, purchase account, sales account, suspense account. So these are the groups in the, these are the predefined groups in a tally. So in this, 15 groups are primary groups and 13 groups are subgroups. So totally 28 groups are there. Then what in a tally, how we can start the company? In it, first we have to choose the education mode. When we select the tally in the computer of start option, we will go to the work in educational mode. We can choose the work in educational mode when the window of tally has been opened. In it, we can use the create a company. So in create company, we can click F3 option, and then we get into the create company. And when we get into the window of the creating company, we have to enter the details of the company, name of the company, address of the company, state, then district, then all other details has been entered, and we have to accept it. Then only we will create a company. And after creating the company, we have to enable the necessary features. We have inventory features will be there, then we have accounting features will be there. So what is our requirement? As per our requirement, we have to give the features, we have to set the features. Then here maintain accounts, yes, enable bill-wise entries. For example, in accounting, if we are doing an accounting company, whether it is accounting related company, so we can choose the maintain accounts, yes, enable bill-wise entry, yes. In accounting features, we can inventory, so all these features will be set. Then we can also nowadays, after the introduction of GST in 1st July 2017, GST has also been added. In Tally Prime, all the numeral features has been updated. All the necessary features have been updated. So that's why after it, enable GST option. GST option is also there for calculating tax purpose. Then we can accept, after giving all necessary features, we can accept it, and the company has been created. Then we have to shut the company, then we have to close a company for the purpose of, we have to go to another company. In a Tally Prime, we have to go to another company, means the option, the shortcut is F3 company, shut company. Then we have to alter a company, means the option is company, go to select company, the company name. Just for example, I have set it as Super Trade F3. So Super Trade F3 company, alter company, change your address or another data, accept. So we have to alter it, select the option alter company and select the company which you want. For example, Super Trader company, select that company, particular company, then change whatever details you want and then accept it. If you want to delete a company, there is some peculiarity when we delete a company. So in delete purpose, we have to choose the alter the company and then click Alt plus D. So company, go to F3 company, alter company, Alt plus D, company Super Traders, and this we have to choose that and then we have to delete it. So this is the way how we have to alter company, create company, and all we have necessary features has to be set before doing any of the program. Then this is the company creation window. You can see how we can create a company in the Tally Prime. So in this, first you have a data part where we have saved the company options. We have a data part. Then we have company name. We have to give a name of the company. Which company we are going. For example, in real life purpose, we are creating a company and we have to start in a Tally premise. That company name has to be given here. For example, if you have the N Limited, they have creating a company, means N Limited company name has to be mentioned here. Then mailing name, obviously there will be mail address, email address for every company, and the mailing name must be given here, address, where the company has been located. All details must be given in the address portion. Then state, which is Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, state which the company belongs to, that has to be mentioned in the state. Then country, in which country the company has been belongs, whether it is in India or Japan or something else, it has to be mentioned in country. And pin code, the pin code of our company, whether in address, it will be in the address and also it will be mentioned in pin code. Then telephone number, the contact number of company. For the purpose, we have to create the company phone number and mobile number. Obviously, many of them are using mobile phone. Not at all. A telephone number will be available for everyone. So, mobile number. Then fax. It was an outdated outdated device. So nowadays it's not having there. Then email address, obviously. Then website. Obviously, many of the companies for the purpose of trading purpose, for the purpose of account, banking purpose, for the purpose of digital marketing, etc. You will be having website. So we have to create a website here. Then financial year beginning from. Obviously, which year the company has been started. The financial year beginning from. That has been mentioned here. Then books beginning from. In which year the book has been of the company has been starting. It has been mentioned here. Then security, for the purpose of safety purpose, for the purpose of extra protection. Not one will be threaten our documents. No one will see our documents for the purpose of safety purpose. We can set the security word password. Then control user access to company data. Then we have basic currency symbol. Obviously for India means it is rupee. Formal name of currency, that is INR. Suffix amount. Then any suffix we will be having, it has been mentioned here. Add space between amount and symbol. It's all basic things. Then show amount in million or not. We have to show the amount in million, that is mentioned here. The number of decimal places. Then word representing amount after decimal. The number of decimal places of our amount in words. All these things has to be mentioned in the company creation window. Then group, how to create a group in the window. So there will be obviously 28 predefined groups in the Tally. But if you want to add more groups, then we have to do means gateway of Tally, masters, create accounting masters. So for example, building under fixed asset. Building is a fixed asset, so it has to be created under fixed asset. Then office equipment, it is under primary, it is an asset. Then depreciation, it is also it's an expenses under primary. So how to create a Tally is gateway of Tally, chart of account, groups. Then ledgers, how to create ledgers in Tally Prime. For that purpose, we have to go to the gateway of Tally. Gateway of Tally, creating ledger. By default there is two ledgers. So when we go to the gateway of Tally, we will be having create option. By clicking create option, we will go to the ledger. Ledger, then create. So in that creating ledger, there will be two default ledgers. Obviously in all Tally Prime, all companies, there will be two default ledgers already created. Cash account and P&L account. This is already created in it. We don't want to create it again. So there is already default two ledgers, cash and P&L account. Then check the default ledgers gateway of Tally, chart of accounts ledgers. We can check the default ledgers. Then ledger alteration. For alteration purpose, gateway of Tally, masters, alter, ledger. We have to choose the which ledger we have to alter. For that purpose, the shortcut is gateway of Tally, masters, alter, ledger. And next one is trial balance. To display how to display trial balance in Tally Prime. For that, gateway of Tally, display more reports, trial balance. Press F5 ledger wise or group wise. We can see if I pressing ledger, you will see it is ledger wise. When pressing in group, you will see it in group wise. Then ledger name and group under. Which are the ledgers and in which group it belongs to? First one is Punjab National Bank. It is a personal account and belongs to bank account. Then State Bank of India. It is also a personal account. It belongs to bank account. Petty cash, real account. It belongs to cash in hand. Opening stock, it belongs to real asset, it is stock in hand. So let's see, personal account, sundry debtors, National Private Limited, sundry debtors. Then building cost, it belongs to building fixed asset, building accrued depreciation, building fixed asset. Then office equipment cost, office equipment asset. Then office equipment depreciation, office equipment. Then sales tax, duties and taxes. Then TDS, duties and taxes. Then Shivam Kumar Sundar creditors, it will be sundry creditors. Sona Enterprise, it will also be sundry creditors. Then educational loan, secured loan. Then bill receivable, current asset. Obviously bills receivable, current asset. Then computer sales. If it is company that's selling the computer means computer sales. If only that means if a company that's selling computer means then it belongs to sales account. Then software sale, obviously sales account. Parts sale, whether any of the part of the computer has been selling, then it belongs to sales account. Then bank interest, the interest received by us, so it becomes indirect income. Purchase account. Then wages, direct expense. Then freight, direct expense. So voucher in Tally Prime. Obviously when we get into a company and after creating ledger, we have to create the necessary vouchers. So all the entries which you made in this given accounting vouchers are effect on your current accounting of your business. So when you are making vouchers, we are making entries in vouchers, obviously it will change the business position. So first one is F4, contra. Contra voucher, it is related to banking transactions and cash transactions. When there is cash and bank transaction in debit and credit, there comes the credit power, that means contra voucher. Then only the contra voucher will arrive. That means whether we should have either cash, that means cash or bank should be either in the debit side or in credit side. So that means cash deposited into bank, cash withdrawn from bank. So when we are depositing cash in bank or when we are withdrawing cash from bank, there comes the contra account, contra voucher. Then payment voucher. When we are making payments to others, cash or check. Through cash or checks we are making payment to others, then it comes to the payment. Then receipt. Cash and check received. When the amount has been received by the company, ourselves, that is company, then it comes to receipt. That is receipt, cash and check received including cash and bank sales. Then comes F7 journal. All non-cash transaction entries belongs to the F7 journal. All non-cash transaction, there should not be cash in debit or credit, means it belongs to the voucher called as journal. Then next one is F8 sales. Only credit sales has to be included in credit sales. When this cash sales, it belongs to what? Receipt account. But it is credit sales, it belongs to sales account. And F9 purchase. Only credit purchase belongs to F9. So when it is cash purchase, it belongs to payment. Then alter plus F7 stock journal. There is also stock journal voucher. Alter plus F7 to transfer, to record the stock transfer and production entries. We are using stock journal. So how we will get to do it? Gateway of tally, vouchers, create. Then we can go some transactions. Transactions, first one, started business with cash rupees 25,000. Sorry, started business with cash rupees 50,000, 5 lakh, that is receipt F6. Open bank account in PNP bank with cash rupees 25,000. There is bank and cash in transaction. So it belongs to contra F4. Then purchase goods for cash 50,000. It is goods has been purchased for cash, so obviously payment F5. Then purchase machinery for cash rupees 1 lakh. It is also a payment. Purchase goods on credit from Mr. Pavan Kumar rupees 60,000. Here comes the purchase. We are purchasing the goods on credit. Then paid discount rupees 2,000. It belongs to a payment F9. Then sold goods on credit to Mr. Samir Alam rupees 72,000. It belongs to sales F8. Then purchase goods on credit from Super Private Limited rupees 16,000. So we have purchased the goods on credit. So purchase F9. Received cash from Samir rupees 72,000. Cash received, it belongs to receipt. Then paid cash to Mr. Pavan Kumar rupees 60,000. Payment, we have paid cash, so it belongs to payment. Commission received rupees 5,000. It's an income and it belongs to receipt. Electricity bill paid, expense payment 5. Purchased goods on credit from Sona Enterprise rupees 14,000. We have purchased goods from Sona Enterprise. So it belongs to credit purchase and it belongs to purchase at 9. Then purchased computer for cash rupees 21,000. We have purchased even though it is a stock, but we have purchased for cash, so it belongs to payment. Then deposited cash into bank rupees 10,000. Bank account after to cash. So there comes the contract. Then sold goods for cash rupees 80,000. We have sold the goods, so we get the cash, so it belongs to receipt. Then paid cash to Sona Enterprise rupees 40,000. So we have paid the cash, there is a payment. Then depreciation on 10% of machinery. So a depreciation is there comes what? There is no cash or things like that. So there comes journal F7. Then interest paid, cash on loan. And we have paid the interest in cash, there comes payment. Then withdraw cash from bank. We have withdrawn cash account after to bank. So the voucher will be contra F4. Then received service charge rupees 18,000. So we have received means cash as received means receipt F6. Then paid cash to Super Private Limited rupees 16,000. That means we have paid cash, belongs to payment. So these are the vouchers. So this will be the things. Receipt in this journal will be cash account after to capital 50,000. So capital account, cash in hand. In contra, we will be having PNB bank account after to cash belongs to cash in hand. PNB bank belongs to bank accounts. For payment, purchase account after to cash. Here comes cash, so it belongs to a payment account. Payment voucher. So purchase account, purchase means purchase account, cash means cash in hand ledger. Then payment 5, machinery account debtor to cash. We have purchased machinery, means machinery account debtor to cash. Then the journal machinery will be in fixed assets and cash will be in cash in hand. Then purchase, Pawan Kumar, purchase account debtor to Pawan, because we are purchasing it for credit. So purchase account debtor to Pawan, Pawan belong to sundry creditors, purchase belong to purchase account. Then payment, payment means something we have paid in cash, so discount account debtor to cash, even though discount allowed, so that is it goes to a expense, so discount account debtor to cash. So discount belongs to indirect expense, cash belongs to cash in hand. Then Samir Alam, sundry, debtor, trade sales, sales 72,000. Then purchase F9, we have to purchase it for credit. So journal will be purchase account debtor to Super Private Limited and the amount 60,000. Super Private Limited will be sundry creditors, purchase belongs to purchase account ledger. Then receipt F6, cash account debtor to Samir Alam, cash belongs to cash in hand ledger, Samir Alam belongs to sundry creditors ledger. Then payment F5, Dr. Pawan Kumar 60,000, sundry creditors. So sundry creditors belongs to Pawan Kumar belongs to sundry creditors, cash belongs to cash in hand. Then receipt F6, commission 5,000 belongs to indirect income, cash belongs to cash in hand. Next cash payment, that electricity bill account debtor to cash and cash belongs to cash. So by this I conclude my video. Thank you.